इट्स लाइक भगवान ने ना एक इंसान का बहुत ज़्यादा बना दिया एंड लाइक क्योंकि ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा बन गया तो इसको ना हम 2 टुकड़ों में डाल देते हैं. सो दैट्स मी एंड देन दैट्स दक्ष. बट ही इज़ उसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा डल गया, मेरे में थोड़ा कम, बट देन आई थिंक वी बैलेंस इट.
Are we doing this?
Why?
Actually, we didn't record before.
नहीं.
I will reiterate. I have been bullied into wanting to dump all my thoughts on a piece of paper when my thoughts are a little too many to describe everything I want to do with her. I meet the bride. No, not this. Oh.
Really got a monster.
Oh, I'm just here to have fun. I can't wait to get married to Simran.
What the fuck? ये कब हुआ?
I work out every day.
We love you, Daksh and Simran. All the best.
I think these 3 years have been an absolute fairy tale. I couldn't have imagined a better life, a better partner, and a better person, a better human than you. I'm just really looking forward to what life takes us to. But I just want to say, Mumbai or Delhi, anywhere in the world, I will be as far as you're concerned. I was the first person Daksh has ever said I love you to. तो मुझे तो कभी कभी लगता है मैं बैनर लगा के घूमूं. Because it's so cute, right?
Okay, 'cause I know that I am yours and you are mine. Doesn't matter anyway. In the night, we'll take a walk. It's nothing funny just to talk. Put your hand in mine. You know that I want to be with you all the time. You know that I won't stop until I make you mine.
It's that song.
Is this
First, so on Ho everybody does it. Maybe we take one each because ये awkward हो जाता है हाथ में तो.
To be very honest, I was on a work trip to the US, and उस time तो of course I was younger and just around and about, and we just started seeing each other, and I didn't know how real it was unless I spent a month away from her, or more than a month away from her. And that's when I realized that this is it. This is the one. I think every boy, the first woman they love, they adore is their mother. And controversial sound kar raha, but I see a lot of my mother in Simran. And I'm not saying she babies me, but a lot of things she does, a lot of characteristics that she has are very similar to my mother. And that's a hard find. My mom was a catch, and so is Simran. Honestly, when you're younger, जो आपने कहा कि movies, songs, trips, they bring people together. But with Simran and me, it was all and above everything. All and above things you mentioned, like our routine, our value system, what we like, what we dislike, our work ethic, our passion for pretty much everything was in sync.
बड़ी फैन फॉलोइंग है भाई दक्ष के लिए कितने लोग एक्साइटेड हैं come on all right so here we have Cody then Simran you know what Daksh now she is gonna win your whole life यार मतलब ये तो अभी शुरुआत है पहली जीत है Okay, so everyone, we can see कि हमने दक्ष को blindfold कर दिया है और अभी क्या करना है हमारी सारी beautiful सी जितनी भी girls हैं एक बार यहाँ पर सारी आ जाएं boys इस तरफ आ जाएं boys आ जाएंगे दक्ष की side और सारी girls आ जाएंगी इस तरफ Now, Daksh has to identify the hands of his lady love. So do you guys think he will be able to do it? यार कैसे दोस्त हैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं दे रहे हैं Now put your hands above his eyes, close his eyes, yes. Now Daksh, touch the hands and tell us whose hands are these? Not Simran. क्या लगता है किसका हो सकता है? Still guess, guess. Simran's friends, again for you. Snigdha? No. Now, let's see if these are Simran's hands. मतलब पूरी no पक्का लॉक कर दिया जाए sure right okay now tell us whose hands are these come on Daksh बिल्कुल भी चांस नहीं है गलत बोलने का take your time but you have to be really very sure close लग रहा है अच्छा now I am going to give you one chance अभी मैं आपको एक हाथ देने वाली हूँ सिमरन का और एक हाथ देने वाली हूँ किसी और का तो आपको बताना है उसमें से कि सिमरन का कौन सा हाथ है और okay wait Okay, now tell us, Daksh, आपकी सिमरन का कौन सा हाथ है? सोच लो, अभी भी चांस है। सोच लो। यहाँ पर दोस्त या कंसंट्रेट। राइट वाला कंसंट्रेट। Are you sure? And yes, that's Simran. Simran, जोरदार तालियां। Who else?
Ever since I've been a kid, right, I used to cringe at Bollywood and films and romance and the idea of perpetuity in relationships and stuff like that. But ever since I met Simran, and I mean, again, this is so corny for me, but ever since I met Simran, I do believe it's true. I can't wait to spend my life with her. And I love you very much. I'll see you very soon, Simran.
इश्क वर्गे ते इश्क ही पल्ले
सिमरन बहुत प्यारी लड़की है, टच वुड, आई एम ब्लेस्ड टू हैव हर। हमारे सिमरन और मेरी फ्रिक्वेंसी और वाइब्स इतनी मिलती हैं कि जो मैं सोचती हूँ वही सिमरन सोच रही होती है, और हम दोनों वही मैसेजेस एक दूसरे को शेयर कर रहे होते हैं। तो और उतनी वाइब सिमरन और दक्ष की मिलती है, तो आई एम ब्लेस्ड टू हैव हर कि वो हमारी फैमिली में आ रही है।
I honestly can't wait to see Simran get married and for us to exchange our vows and then genuinely party.
Promise you that you will always be my best friend at my home. I promise to laugh with you, to cry with you, and definitely pretend to like UFC. I will stand by your side in whatever season you might be, good or bad. I promise to go with you anywhere in the world. Mumbai or Delhi, it doesn't matter as far as it's with you.
Four staycations and 2 vacations annually. Subject to monetary constraints and my dad's sponsor. I won't devote more than an hour a day to consuming cringe. Shout out cringe boys. And will watch some quality content with you every weekend. I'll try to. I promise to love your parents, family and friends as if they were mine.
Simran, what about you? You love the same. You love his parents?
इश्क लगनों लगी लगे जिवे यार बुलांदा काश
Because with you, I have found my soul, where my soul is most. And as we step into this journey, I promise to always take care of you. Try to be at least half as amazing of a partner that you are. I thank the universe for writing our story the way that they did, and I can't wait to begin this new chapter with you.
The pir vi tu Deen vi tu Iman vi tu Preet vi tu Neet vi tu The pir vi tu Pyar vi tu Deen vi tu Iman vi tu Preet vi tu
Okay, so like all of us agree that Simo is the kind of person who will always be there for us. And she is the kind of friend who will drive to my house at 3 a.m. if I just call her up crying about something. And I'm just really happy about the fact that she has found somebody who will do the same for her. And yeah, Daksh is the kind of partner who is also like a best friend. And the way we love Simu, it's like combining all of that in one person. Like all the love that all the five of us have for Simu, I think Daksh holds all of that love for her as an individual. And we're so happy that she has found that. And yeah, it's beautiful what they have.
ਜਦੋਂ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਤੂੰ ਲੈਣਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਖੱਲੋ ਜਾ ਉਸ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ ਫੜ ਮੇਰੀ ਬਾਂਹ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ ਲੈ ਜਾ ਦੂਰ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਚ